Hey guys, what's going on? Bounce back. We are in here today with some green. A whole bunch of green, actually. I only had one losing trade. I took like 6 trades or 5 trades or something. We are up. We out here. We back. We're not blowing up our accounts anymore. 137. Let me turn that. Oh my god, there's so many things going on right now. I'll turn that music down for you. So after that big loss yesterday, I reinforced my discipline. I took less amount of shares. I only took 400 share positions. So I didn't want to expose myself to some crazy risk. We saw yesterday, it was like, this week was mental. I couldn't get a hold of myself after this loss. And I thought that I had to make that loss back immediately. And then I did. So I was like, oh, I'm scot-free. I don't have to actually pay attention to what went wrong. So then, this is what happened there. So thankfully, I got one more day. Hopefully that's not going to be a loss of $1,700 tomorrow. And then I can have, yet again, a profitable month. So like I said, I did lose a lot of this. I think I lost like $900 or something. The start of May or I can't remember what it was. So that's kind of a write-off. But again, on paper, since I started the rehab's been going well, and let's just keep it up. So I'm over 100 subscribers. I told you guys that I would appreciate that, and we're way over it here. Let me bring it over. We're actually crawling up slowly to 105. We're at 104. I appreciate that so much. I know it doesn't sound like a lot, but it's kind of cool that people watch the videos, they comment, you say what's been helpful, you ask me questions. It's a lot of fun. It's kind of cool to help people out and stuff. So, like I said, I'm going to try and do a live stream on Friday for the first day of March, April, May, June. We'll see. I don't know. I've been waking up late recently, and I've been feeling super groggy. So I'm trading like pretty much like this. I don't think I'll use my cam in the morning if I do, but let's say Friday morning, 9:25. I will do a live stream. You can watch me trade. You can listen to my thoughts real time. Maybe I'll do it for about an hour or something. Anyways, let's get out of all of this. Let's watch the video for today, because that's what you're here for, the trades. So I'm going to pull that up for you after I mute that. There we go. Potentially. Hey guys, we're looking at OGen today. Potentially over 210. CODX for continuation from yesterday. It made a huge move from $1.60 up to around $3.50, and now it's at $4.50. And finally, BLNK. But it's selling off right now, actually, so I don't really like that. We'll see what looks good, and then we'll play what the market gives us. I'm thinking OGen is going to be the one in play. We got 8 seconds to the bell. I wish my charts would load. That'd be kind of cool. Over 215 I'll buy.
Order filled.
There it is. Trying to get out.
Order cancelled.
Unfortunately, got out
Order
for a
filled.
loser because I couldn't get filled at 219. So I had to bail out on the bid at 214, but that's okay. Waiting for CODX to burst through the 60s here. Wow, and without me, Ojan is going crazy. The high right now is 229.
Order partially
In
filled.
for the break of 229.
Order filled.
Trying to get filled. 200 shares out. I'm trying to be smart about this, not get too greedy. My average is 222.
Order filled.
Get another 100 shares out just in case. What are the highs right now? 233. I'll just hold on to this for now. If it comes back down, I'll sell it. Oh, I tried it. Oh.
Order partially filled.
Yeah, I'm out.
Order filled.
Out at 220, but then we get a massive buyer at 2. That's crazy. That's friggin' crazy, man. So I turned a loser into a winner there, so that's good. Don't always get to do that. I'd get back in around 215 or so for the next move. Don't want to chase this. See, there's not a lot of follow-through over the highs yet because there's not a lot of new buyers. That's why it only went from 233 to 235 right there. I'm trying to see like 217.
Order
Try and get me
partially
filled. I got filled a decent amount of shares there. 347. Let's bring me up to a clean
Order filled.
400. Average at 213. So my stop here would be 212. Oh, that was a great little fill there. Let's let this consolidate. I'd probably sell around 215 if it came back down. You know, I don't want this to go against me, of course. If it hits closer to 230, I'm going to sell 200 shares. We're going to consolidate and hopefully we'll make a new 1-minute candle. That's the plan here. 27 on the ask here. 29. 30. Let's see a little push. 31.
Order partially filled.
I got out for 300 shares.
Order filled.
Again, let's just see what happens. I have a really good average here. If there's another dip, you know, I'll buy again. Now this candle's going to close at 232. I see 229.
Order filled.
Adding to 200 shares. I'll sell the whole thing at like 38, hopefully. That got really, really heavy there. I should have sold into that heaviness at 235, but we can hold on. My average again is 222.
Order cancelled.
I tried to get filled there. I'm gonna hold on to this because I can, right? I still have this 222 average. $32. Actually, no. See, I'm getting greedy, so I'll just get out. That's fine. So I'm out at 230 for my last 200 shares. If it goes ahead without me, that's fine. It's actually looks like it's about to with that bid there. Or maybe it's not. So over $100 profit on the day. I don't want to fuck it up this time. I seem to be pretty good at that, and wow, look at that drop. I don't know about this buy the dip opportunity here. I'm not personally going to do it, but it might work out. Say you got in at 217, 218 there, you're already up 5, 6, 7 cents. Just looking for stuff surging right now. That's why I'm frantically clicking around. Just that I recognize some of these names, so I'm putting them over on my other monitor in case they decide to keep going. I don't have to click on them to see them. So we could be consolidating pretty nicely here. The only thing is the moving average is at 250, this 200 moving average. That's the only problem with this. So I could be getting filled on a dip here, but I'm not sure it's a good idea. It'd be a pretty tight stop of either 218 or 216. The sell-off is on low volume, so pretty good setup. But again, I'm not trying to screw up like I did yesterday. I've got my profit, I've got my daily goal. I just made 30 cents or so, or I think, on 400 shares. So the first 1 minute candle to make a new high. Let's see if that works out right now. Feels like it's going to be heavy. I feel like it's just going to slam back down to 23 or something. It might slowly push. Who knows? That's not a lot of volume on that candle. With volume, it could push through, but it just feels like it won't. We might push to like 40 if we go through the highs of 36. The closer we make it to 36, the more likely that's going to happen. And it's doing it right now. 39, 40, 42. So we made it to 43 on that little push. The volume is slowing down. I could have played that. I, again, just did not feel too confident about it. We're getting really close to those moving averages now. Just waiting for something to pop up. So I guess we'll come back to this, guys, when something is actually popping up. What's the high? 154?
Order filled.
That looked really, really, really heavy there, so I got out instantly. Holy crap. Okay, I'm not chasing this. This is how I blow up the day. So I'm not chasing this. I'm going to wait for the right entry. It's either coming all the way back down to 130 or I'm just waiting. So high volume on the push, low volume on consolidation. This looks really good. 36, I want to get filled at like 34. 35, 33.
Order filled.
Got 200 shares. I like that. I like that a lot. So 30 more seconds in this candle. If this gets down there again, I'll sell out towards 133. We're gonna make a high of 145 on this next candle. 10 seconds, and I would add over 145. Just to bring me to the full size. Because I was kind of scared there, as you saw. 2 seconds. Okay, 145 for the break of 145. It's looking kind of heavy. We'll see. The volume comes in. We're good.
Order filled.
There, I'm in for the break of 145. 144, 145. 147. Okay, I'm going to try and sell out here.
Order filled.
I got filled at 145 for all of my shares.
Order cancelled. Order partially filled. Order cancelled.
So I knew that was about to surge into a circuit breaker halt. I tried to get in just 100 shares and I got filled 88 of those 100 shares. And now I'm trying to get filled the full...
Order cancelled.
Whatever it is. Just an even 100 number. So I'm going to take most likely 200 shares to add to this position. Sorry about that lawnmower outside. That's probably pretty annoying, but we'll see. It's going on halt right about now.
Order
No,
filled.
I sold out. I sold out of that. What's the high? 255. I won't make you guys listen to that lawnmower. That was pretty annoying. So I finished the day. We won't make this video too long. Like I said, I finished the day 177. Hopefully that was useful for you. Ask me any questions you have, any comments. Like, it'd be kind of cool to know what you guys traded today. Did you have the same ideas? Different ideas? Did you trade the same stocks? So I'm really, really happy with today. You can see here my average, or my max position size was 400 shares. I got a couple lucky dip fills there, whatever, but it was the same strategy. I just wanted to get a better price and have a better risk to reward ratio. So that worked out really well. We'll see you guys tomorrow for the last day of the month. Hopefully I will finish green if I keep up this discipline. So you guys have a good one.